What's up, everybody? Mr. Boggiano here with your next PE at home lesson. Another HIIT workout for you today, all right? We're going to go 7 different exercises, 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. You should be able to push through the full 30 seconds if you're getting a nice half-minute break, all right? Keep some water near you for the end, all right? Do your best. Try to keep up with me. Here we go. First one we're going to do is just simply jog in place, all right? Here we go. So I want you moving your left elbow and right knee and then opposite, all right? Try to keep your body in sync, working together. Those knees chopping, jogging in place. If you want to jog around a little area, you can, all right? Whatever works best for you and your space at home. 10 seconds left. Getting that heart rate up, right out of the back. All right? 3, 2, 1, and rest. Okay, next thing I got up is walking high knees. So you're gonna walk around, you're gonna hold your hands out like this, bring a knee, drive it to your hands. Don't lower your hands, bring your knees up to your hands at chest level. Okay? You got 13 seconds still. All right? I'll do it walking around this mat to start out. You can do it walking around your living room or wherever you are at your house. Here we go. So walking high knees, okay? Drive that knee up towards your chest. Keep your hands up at chest level. Keep that back flat. You want to step it up a little bit and you want to chop them up and go a little faster? You can, okay? It's up to you. 15 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. All right, next thing. I was a big Spider-Man growing up as a kid. All right, these are Spider-Man or Spider-Girl squats. Okay, so it's going to be a little bit different. So you're going to start with one hand like this, like Spider-Man with his web, and I want you to touch the floor with your other hand, okay? Then you're going to jump up, touch your feet together, switch hands, open up, and then touch the floor. Okay? Ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Then like you're shooting that web out. Get that bottom down below your knees or even with your knees, okay? 15 seconds left. Keep it up, you're doing great. 3, 2, 1. There you go. All right, this is a beginner HIIT workout. Okay, normally we would probably go 40 seconds on and then 20 seconds rest. Next thing we're gonna do is lateral arm raises. Okay? So actually, you know what? We're gonna do this one because it's kind of like a rest. I'm gonna have you guys do this one for 45 full seconds, okay? We're gonna hold our arms up for 15 seconds at a time, drop it for a second, and then rest. Ready? Arms to your sides, bring them out, capital T. I want you to point at the opposite walls or point away from you. Make sure your arms are completely straight. Okay, make sure you're breathing. 3, 2, 1, lower them. Bring them back up. Hopefully you can see this clock here. Let's go until 25, 3:25. You got this. I know it starts to burn. It's starting to burn. That's a good thing. Chase that burn. And rest. Let's do one more 10-second, all right? Hold it out until that says 3:10. You got this. We're going to jumping jacks next, all right? Everyone knows jumping jacks. All right, and rest. Okay, so when you're jumping jacks, you're going to start with your feet together, arms by your sides. You're going to jump out, hands come above your head, legs flare out, touch your hands. That's where you count, okay? You always count what's above you. Here we go. 30 seconds. Regulate your breathing. Take your time breathing. The more you focus on your breath, the longer you will last, all right? You guys got this. 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Right, very good. Okay, next thing we got, we're going to do a plank with an arm circle. This is going to be tougher, all right? So I'm going to get down to a plank position. I'm going to spread my feet out for a better stance, okay? You can either hold the plank this way, or you can make it a little bit harder by doing a full circle with your arm, and then switch to a full circle with your arm. Try going in different directions each time. So I'm going backwards. This one I'm going to go forwards. 15 seconds left. Keep that nice, strong base. Hold it out for the last 5 seconds if you want, and add a little push-up in there. And rest. Good job. All right, our last one, okay? I know it's still the summer/fall time, but you're gonna use your imagination here. You're gonna pretend you're going ice skating, all right? So when you ice skate here, you're gonna have your feet together over here. You're gonna leap out over to one side, bring that back foot back. If you wanna touch it behind, you can, or you can keep it off the floor. And then you're going back the other way, all right? Get ready to do the ice skate. Get those skates laced up. Here we go. Land and hold it for a second. That will help build your leg muscles and help your balance. Good job. 10 seconds left. And then we're done. Keep it up. You got this. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job, all right? So that was just one round of that. If you would like, hit refresh or rewind. Do it all over again 1 or 2 more times, all right? That's your HIIT workout for today. I hope you enjoy. Stay active and stay healthy.